2004 Kia Spectra rear bumper paint job, coat number 3. So we're going with number 3. Number 3 is Duplicolor Perfect Match scratch filler primer. Alright, so I'm just gonna get some of these areas that I didn't quite get. Work my way down the panel here. Yep, it's got a little bit of wind. Don't want to lose it off the panel. Alright, here we go again. Alright, switching hands. Yeah, it's alright here. It's alright. See here. I'm gonna have to switch to a different product, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm about running out. Little splotchy, little splotchy. Move it quick. Lighter is the better. If you do light coats, it definitely is better. I'll tell you that right now. Just use light coats and take your time. You'll get a better result. So that's what I'm going to do. And I'll show you when it's all said and done. So that's coat number 3. I'll run it down. I'll show you down the panel. Okay. Some of it's kind of bare in some areas. Yep. See right there. Some was pretty nice in some areas. Don't remember that minor flesh wound. Okay. Right there is where it's a little thin for me. So I'll finish up what's left in the can on that. And then I'll hit it with another can. I'm gonna switch to another lacquer and enamel. Okay. Little loose, little bare there. But what I want to get is right here. It's a little light for me. Then I'll sand it, let it dry a little bit, and sand it down with our sand it down flat. Probably about 800 grit. Alrighty. I'll show you when it's all said and done.